Hello everyone, in this video we'll check if FC26 is available on Epic Games Store. In order to check it, firstly let's enter Epic Games Store. Now let's go to Shop and search for FC26. As you can see, FC26 is available on Epic Games Store and the release date is 26th of September. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.